fire. In the path of righteousness, I walk higher. Toss liars in the pit of hell. Caught in the crossfire, caught fire from the big guns. These is not revolvers. Violence only creates confusion. It ain't a problem solver. Let's go. Let's get us my dress code. Just know I need a personal Jesus. I'm in Depeche mode. Best show is when the bullets hit the flesh slow. This ain't a movie, dog. You know it when your chest explode.
I trained my luck to know why he's caught in the crossfire. And now I'm here waking up to the sun and the sound of birds. Society's anxiety deprives of all that we're blessed with. We just can't get enough, no.
99 problems, Sean Michael Carter. Can find a y'all trying to fix my life like Evelilla's out of the night marauders. 12-hour cigars like Godfather. Starving artists trying to get some car like the hardest barbers. I'm culture. What I talk is dead coming from vultures. I promise I ain't choose to be a martyr. My enemies focus. My heart seems to be the target if you ain't noticed. These guns are still our youth, it's stolen moments.
I trained my luck to know why he's caught in the crossfire. And now I'm here waking up to the sun and the sound of birds. Society's anxiety deprives of all that we're blessed with. We just can't get enough, no.
Yeah. We on some next shit with this. Hey yo, fuck your shoebox money. You buying whips with cryptocurrency right now. Yeah. solid dirt and make them holler murder. Take them to the highest point of the earth, no need to follow further. The shit is universal, no time to do rehearsal. I never take a break, that shit is too commercial. I wasn't raised different, I was made different. Flow don't fuck around like it was raised Christian. Antisocial with these kids, we don't play with them. We just keep a small circle and we stay lifted. I need Monopoly bread, so if it ain't sex, then it gotta be head. So you got some candles, I prefer the sloppy instead. Do my own thing and they prefer to copy instead. The money got them in a frenzy, probably wanna envy. Glass half full, but the bottle's left empty. Baby, I'm a gentleman, but I don't do it gently. Backwoods with the Henny, back good, never trendy. That Kush got plenty, I be off of the feelings. In tune with the rhythm, now I'm leaving the room. Let the mood reawaken like I'm out of the tunes. Each room's keep moon, going out with a boom. For the gold, I be walking every road on the map. Get a vibe low key and the flow's relaxed. But once the smoke is in the air and we pouring the jet, we like singers, certain actors, we don't know how to act. Switch it up, let your bitch pop a bean and a half. Got a queen hitting ass, sipping lean in the bath. Bank robbery, we going and we leave with the cash. We just getting what we need, see no reason to ask. The drugs unlock doors in my mind where I never go. Learning to acknowledge while accepting what I'll never know.
It's a long road to greatness, but I ain't afraid to face it, 'cause I know I'm gonna make it. Put me in the fire, said I'd disappear, but I walk through the flames and I'm standing here. I do it for the fame, and nothing's gonna stand in my way. Nothing's gonna stand in my way. Tell the world to remember my name. It's the noise and the fashion, whatever gets a reaction, anything to make it happen. Everybody talking about what's wrong and right. All I know is a chase and I gotta fight. I do it for the fight, and nothing's gonna stand in my way. Yeah, I do it for the fight, and nothing's gonna stand in my way.
I've been thinking about you more than I should. Thinking somehow I'm misunderstood. I've been drinking about you more than I should. They said we were too young, going back to 21.
toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Hey, hey, switch my whip, came back in black, I'm starting saying recipes of vodka. Hey, close that door, we blowing smoke, she asked me light a fire. show in a cop car. Ay. Shit was legendary, through a TV out the window with a montage. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Dude, your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Ay, ay. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, say they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend. Yeah, ay. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock.